guys? Welcome back to it. Oh, guys, a car coming. God! Oh my God! Does she not know that her bumper is falling off? Alright, sorry about that. Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another day of the EVS vlog. My name is Haywood, aka Renaissance Man. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button. Join the EVS crew. Hey, yo, we have a busy day today, so you know what? Let's just get started. Make sure you like, comment, hit that notification bell so you know there's always a vlog up, because we're stronger in numbers. What do you mean you're leaving today? You just got here. Guys, I just got word that the GT3 is leaving. It's leaving today. I mean, like, first it was the McLaren, then it was the Mustang, and now this? I mean, like, yo, real talk, man, I'm starting to have trust issues, abandonment issues. You just got here. Like, why do you have to leave? Who's gonna sit here now? A long day without you, my friend.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
This is never gonna end, I swear. Like, there's, I think they have a home here now. Well!
Oh my God, it's too early for this.
Did you eat all that yourself?
Oh, that was yesterday. I still have a bunch of chicken.
How come you weren't scared? I don't get it.
I guess you don't scare me.
Can we do that tip of the day?
Dude, it's
just a tip.
too early for that. No, we discussed this already. It's too early.
Just a tip, just a tip, just a tip. With me.
I forgot what we were doing. Okay. To get the emblems nice and squeaky clean, you have to use your pinky and your thumb. Like that. Pinch them.
Do you have to use your pinky and your thumb?
Yeah, because it won't squeak. Ask him for a tip of the day. Hey, tip of the day. How do we support your sisters? That just looks good.
I want to show you this. In a previous vlog, I showed you guys how this was scratched up and you saw the scratches here and here. Well, this is after us polishing it and it's still there. That's how deep these scratches are. After polishing it, we still couldn't get it out. So the only way for you to get, how would you get this out then, Will? If polishing it won't work, obviously.
Might have to respray that area.
So either repaint it.
Yeah.
Guys, if you're gonna get Clearbra done, make sure you're using an experienced installer. Otherwise, if they keep cutting into your paint, you're gonna have scratches like this unless you repaint the car. All right, you can continue, Will. I'm not looking forward to this. So we have to. You see all these boxes? There's about 8 of them. We have to go up to the top of the roof and change out all of these filters. This is scary room up there. I don't really want to pass by, but like we have to. I gotta show you, I gotta take you along. Let's just go.
Scary ballsack. Oh, it smelled. Who the f dumps? Oh God. Chinatown. Get your head together. You see the shop? Dustin. Okay. Today we're working on an AC unit. We're replacing the filters for our client. He was reporting stuffiness in the room and lack of airflow. So we're gonna go ahead and take care of that for
him. Tyler, look. That's the place. We've been here for about 10 years now, and we've never been inside this room before. It is creepy as hell looking.
Does it smell? Dude, I just got a big whiff. Bro, this is all bird shit right here. That's fucking disgusting.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Dude, that is.
Go look at the little twisties. Here, up, is all bird shit.
These are bones. These are all bones. Oh my God. Look how many bones there are. Hell no.
I'm not going in.
We gotta go up there.
You go.
Just go up, take a peek, look around, and come back down.
I'm not stepping on
The ladder.
You do it first.
Okay, if I do it first, will you come with me?
Don't Some has birds flying and don't know how to fly down.
Oh, I just smelled it. It just smells so thick. Like, oh. Okay.
What are you making me do?
Okay. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Bro.
Oh. No. You're not even breathing?
So much bird shit up there.
Once your head hits that level,
It's like 50 degrees hotter.
it's 50 degrees hotter, and it's just like, yep, you've entered the dead zone. Today is a Tesla day. We have a black Model 3 here that we're tinting Photosync with. Bro, what are you doing, man?
Taping a Vorsteiner trunk spoiler.
We are doing a Vorsteiner Volta rear spoiler install on a Model 3. This might be the first one in the world, so this is exciting, guys. Let me show you what it looks like. Yo, I'm excited to see what this looks like on the car.
Keeping the night interesting. It's all about setting the right tone.
Alright, so we just got the spoiler put on. We're gonna let it sit. We're pushing it down for a little bit. Just make sure the adhesive stays on, stays good. But yo, guys, look at that. Look how aggressive that looks. Yo, that is super aggressive. This is what the Model 3 needed. Oh my goodness. That looks really good. Yeah, so I don't really use B-roll that much.
I think you should. That's the one thing I wish these had.
Shut up.
Is a little bit like literally just like 5.
Yo guys, I'm really happy with how this came out. This looks really good. Let me show you. So I'll get some close-ups of the fitment so you have an idea what to expect. So here's the end of it. As you can tell, it pretty much lines up. Here's the bottom. Looking good. We got the Vorsteiner badge up there. Solid fitment, no issues. And then this is what the other side looks like too. So as you can tell, it lines up edge to edge. And here's this side too, so you can see. It looks so good. I really like this. This is solid. Like, I know some Model 3s, like especially the performance ones, come with that rear spoiler. Yo, that thing is so weak compared to this thing. This thing is just, this is a statement. This is a statement. I like this.
Honestly, bro, best fitting piece of carbon fiber I've seen.
Ooh, look at that. Here's a bit of the weaving. You see, straight weaving, glossy clear coat. Look at that shine. Here's a shot further away. Yo, that is sick. Oh man. Here's a shot from further away. Yo, shout out to Vorsteiner. Great job. That's a really awesome design. It looks great. I think it's what the car needed. Alright guys, you might remember a few vlogs ago we did an unboxing of some Belgian wheels. We're now Hey guys, it's me, Haywood. They kept messing with my audio, so I'm just gonna dub over this. So if you remember, we did an unboxing of these Mustang wheels not too long ago. Well, we're finally putting them on this car. Tyler, can you move? So we're finally putting it on this car. It's gonna look great. Perfection. Perfection. So these are the wheels. That's right. These are the wheels. Don't they look so good? We're gonna put these wheels on that car. These wheels on that car. These wheels on that car. It's gonna look great. Our Model X is back. You remember the black one I took and we got the colors painted? Let's take a look, see how they look. Oh my god, they look so good. Let me shine some light. Let's see that? See that? Ooh. Oh god. And as I mentioned, we did keep the Tesla letters. And once we put the new Vossen HF3 wheels on this, it's gonna open up the whole wheel and the whole brake rotor area, so we're gonna see the calipers a little bit better, and it's gonna look so good. We are tinting this Model X, so we're doing Photosync on all the sides and the back, and it looks like Dustin's already got the driver's side and front window done, so we're moving. Final touch-ups on the Satin Guard film for this Model X. God, look at this, just right here. When the light hits it, look at that. Look how good that looks. Oh my god, yo, Satin Guard totally accents the body lines on the car so much more. I mean, like, look at this line, that line. It just looks so much sharper. It really just accentuates the body lines. Oh, look at the hood, guys. Under this light, it just looks so good. You can really appreciate that tri-tone effect from Satin Guard, that matte, sort of satin, translucent. Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness. Since Satin Guard makes any paint a satin version of it, if there's any bit of the old remaining paint showing, it's gonna look a little off, right? So we went the extra mile by taking the chrome trim off and we put the film underneath it and then put the trim back on, and that way you don't see where it ends, where it goes from satin to back to the original finish. So we tried doing that with any trim that we could. Of course, some are a lot harder than others, but where we can do it, we do it. We do it. What do you guys think of this car? Do you like how it looks? I think it's a pretty clean setup. Let me know in the comments below if you like this, or what do you think? Just tell me. I want to show you guys the offsets and just how flush it looks. So here's the front wheels, flush. Here's the back wheel, flush again. Looks good, looks good. And our rear wheel concavity is pretty on point. Definitely think this was the finishing touch for this Mustang. Alright guys, that is it for the vlog. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button, join the EVS crew, comment, like, rate, hit the notification bell so you know when the new vlog is up. I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. Peace!